This is the start of my video. So we are at Jeep Camp 2025 day 1. We were gonna try and do Iceman. Currently in the process of turning around. Trail's too wet, so we're gonna be responsible, not tear the trail up, and we're gonna go do something different and see if we can find something a little drier.
Yeah. Sometimes the best things in life aren't moist. That's how it is.
So we're here with Iron Rock Off-Road and the Black Hills Jeep Club and ready for a good day, hopefully.
Hey, it started.
Woo! Alright, so it started raining last night about 9 o'clock and kept raining through all the night, so we finished Iceman at noon and headed over to Camp 5. So we're now on Camp 5, making our way through.
Making our way downtown.
And we're right behind the two Iron Rock Off-Road Jeeps. Behind us, another red LJ.
Oh, there's a rock up there.
All right. Like a professional, huh? What do you think? Stay straight. Now go passenger. Ha!
Are you going all the way? Okay.
Yeah, start the passenger. Have to pivot on his locker. Slightly.
Getting real slippery.
Oh, yep.
Is that rear diff?
No, he's touching the slider up there. Nope, he's got it. He'll be fine. He'll be fine.
Hard passenger.
Dang.
There we go.
Okay, that's the way.
Woo!
Gotta go that way.
Do you have all your springs?
Yeah, you're good.
Nice.
Looks like he ran into the license plate run. Looks like he ran into
Maybe, or maybe that's just the way he bent it so it stays on there nice. It's like not even a problem. He's following your lane. Driver! Driver! Come on! Good. Okay, stay driver. Good, good. Oop, let me just ruin your shot, my bad. Hang on, hang on. Slow. Now go driver. Keep going, driver. Straighten out. Good. Easy. Stay driver. Good. Stay driver. Straighten out. Easy peasy. So continue to stay a little wide. Good. Now start coming driver. Start coming driver more, driver more. Back up a little bit. Let's not go full lock like that. Good. Come driver, and then your front is gonna drop. Your front driver is gonna drop down the rock. Good, you're gonna start dropping. Good, good. Now come driver. Driver more, your front passenger is gonna start to drop. Good. Looking good. Perfect. You can straighten out a little bit. Perfect. Need to watch your back end here. You're good. Perfect. Easy peasy. It's fine, it's fine.
When it goes quiet and you just hear him. Best part.
Is it first time driving an automatic? Yeah.
You're not gonna make it.
Oh, missed it.
Again, missed it.
What's that?
You'll hit it with your rear tire if you keep going that wide.
Yeah, that's something, I suppose.
There it goes.
Stop.
Yeah, I'll get your picture.
Photo.
Doesn't feel exciting.
It doesn't feel exciting?
For us. Oh, pretty good.
Wait, are you touching?
Passenger.
Yep, our passenger. Slider, little climb.
You're gonna start climbing.
Climbing.
Back kind of like you did.
Maybe. There it goes.
You want this? You have it.
Paused this whole time. I didn't get any of it.
Yeah. Go way up there.
What do you have it geared to?
Well, it's got the stock TJ transfer case, so the
Right now.
273, 272, and
What
then
about the axles?
axles are 538, but
Come on. Dang.
I just not want to, yeah.
Well, maybe drive him over these that he just flipped. They just reconfigured this whole situation.
Now we've got a new obstacle.
Yeah, it was the Aspen looks like that. Oh, stop!
Oh, something's hanging. Something's hanging from the bottom of his Jeep.
Really?
It's hanging an inch below the axle.
Well, let's go ahead and get.
I can grab a wrench.
You can go through here. Why don't you go ahead and grab a wrench? We'll get that. real
Just
quick.
get it
Here,
off.
pop this hood. Can I get to it from the top or just close an impact? Yeah, there's a hole through the
Yeah,
fender
there's
well. I
a
might
hole.
be able to get a socket and an impact on it.
We've had an eventful afternoon. The LJ behind us lost shock mount, and then shortly after the steering box. So now we're still rolling. A couple of the group is staying behind to work on a trail fix, and we're actually going to take the new spot of tail gunner for the group and finish up the trail for the day, while the three of them work on trying to get that Jeep fixed up enough to get it out.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Alright, so that's a wrap on Jeep Camp Day 1. We got the Jeep unloaded. I got the dirt brush out of my hair. Now we're going to go downtown and just enjoy downtown Deadwood, grab a bite to eat. And yeah, that's it for day 1. Not a super eventful day, but you know, we had to work around the rain and make sure that we were being responsible with South Dakota's trail system. So I guess thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you tomorrow for Jeep Camp Day 2.